Open Web UI versus Chatbot AI. Which one is better? So let's find out. Number one is their features. Open Web UI is a self-hosted interface that lets you run different large language models on your own machine or server. It's about control and flexibility. On the other hand, chatbot AI platforms like ChatGPT or Gemini and are cloud-based services where everything is pre-built and ready to use. Number two, their ease of use. Chatbot AI platform are easier to use and get started with. You can just create your account and start chatting them. And for Web UI, it requires more setup like installing it locally or on a server. But once it's running, you can customize everything. Number three, their performance. With Chatbot AI performance, it's consistent and fast, since it runs on enterprise grade servers, while Open Web UI depends on your local hardware or hosting power. On a strong GPU setup, it's excellent, but on weak hardware, performance may lag. Number 4, customization. This is where Open Web UI shines. You can switch models, add plugins, and even run multiple LLMs side by side. While Chatbot AI platform can give you a polished experience, but you're locked into their ecosystem only. So, lastly is their pricing. Open Web UI itself is a free and open source, but you will bear cost for hardware or cloud hosting, while Chatbot AI is free, and you can also do the monthly pro for the subscription and the other features for higher usage limits. And that's it. So if this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.